Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Amarjeet Nagra. If you are new on my channel, then make sure that first you will subscribe my channel, and I'll tell you that on this channel you'll get all videos related to education, fashion, beauty, kitchen and vlogs. So those who are new on my channel, first please subscribe my channel so that you will get the notification of all new updated videos. And those who are old subscribers, welcome back. This video I'm going to share with you a hair mask recipe. So let's get started with the video, that how can we make this hair mask. And this hair mask will make your hairs soft, super shiny and silky. You just apply this hair mask on your hairs and then just wash it with a mild shampoo. You don't need to apply conditioner because this recipe is going to condition your hairs. So just shampoo your hairs nicely and apply this hair mask every week so that you'll get the desired results. And if you will have any requested video, then please let me know in the comment bar. And after applying this hair good results or whatever, just let me know in the comment bar.